Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Gini yang ni no nampak ke parlimen. Dia kira dia kaya pimik ke parlimen.
Yes, and the rule also says that the written speech should be given. Hindi speaking governors to us, we don't understand what they're talking, so we will stage a walkout. We don't want to be part of this proceeding, sir. And those who don't feel insulted, they may stay in their seats.
This is an insulting for the state.
वॉकआउट कर गया।
कोई बात नहीं।
राज्य सरकार स्वास्थ्य और शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में फर्मी डिलीवरी को बढ़ाने पर
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Dia kira dia kaya pimik ke parlimen. Lepas ayat kaki aja berapa. Mar ujung lagi, kapamut Maria sedang ke session. Gini yang ni no.